pot here. So if I lose it, I won't feel so bad. Let's see if I can grab a hurricane. It's going to be high tide in about, we'll slack high tide about 30 minutes, maybe an hour. So that'll give me about an hour, hour and a half soak. We'll see what happens here. I'm gonna get this pot loaded up, throw it off this dock. Let's see how it goes. That's bottom. And we'll just let this sit for a minute. See if we can catch crabs in a storm. Stay tuned. So just put the crab pots out. Decided to come hang out in the back of the truck. We got our little heater here. Tucker's checking everything out, but just give the crab pots a little time to soak and listening to the wind out there. It is crazy. I'll show you the view I got. It's pretty nice. It's definitely slack tide. Definitely slack now. Let's just pull this baby up and see if we got anything. Definitely got some. Well, there we go. Female. This one, way too small. Definitely a male. Looks like he's had some better days. And there goes my crab gauge. Perfect. Get my extra gauge here. You know, preparedness. Always have a backup. Let's go check our pots.
There's that little pot.
Poll number 2.
Have you got any yet today?
No.
Nope. Look at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, but there's a little one. Look at all his bait. He's got the right. He's got chicken.
There you go.
Watch out.
Oh. Do you leave them in and send them back down?
Oh.
Is it better to take them out?
Take them out.
Yeah.
They can only do one
There's
thing,
one that's going back in the
and it's
ocean.
bad.
There.
They
That
can
little
migrate
one?
out of
Is
that
that little
pot.
one still the same kind? Yeah, it's the baby. Yeah, that one's a female, so you can tell. Come here, Patrice. See how she's got that wider.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
This one here. There's a male.
That's male. Yeah, we got one male.
Oh yeah.
What? Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Okay. Oh, now there's some happy birds. But now the crabs are going to want that instead of our bait.
Oh, you want the bait too? No, those seagulls will get it first.
Yeah, you think they will?
Oh yeah, watch this.
It's so weird, birds eating birds. Yeah, I bet you're right. Ah. Oh, there you go, buddy.
This is a male. Definitely a male. And it is good solid 6 inches. Definitely a keeper. Little soft. Not too bad. So I was here for an hour and a half. I did 2 pulls, and first one caught a male, a female together in the same pot. Second one, I was able to have 1 keeper in there, and he was good size, but a little soft, so I ended up throwing him back.